jumping right on into the day, we are going to be starting off with some hot tea. I have been loving tea lately over coffee. Coffee has really just been amping up my anxiety, so you know, it's team tea over here. This is just some raspberry hot tea, caffeine free of course, and in this pretty cute glass that I've been loving. Next, I'm going to just be jumping on into taking my multivitamin as well as my probiotic, which are both from Ray, but this is not sponsored by them. They have no idea who I am. They are just a brand that I've been trying out, but if you have any vitamin recommendations, leave them below.
And welcome to a new video. Today, you guys, I'm going to be doing another what I eat in a day video, which you guys seem to like, so I thought, why not bring it back? I know it's been so long since I've done one, but I thought I would try out some new recipes and kind of catch up with you guys on what I've been eating and things like that, because y'all, it's been a little crazy. I haven't been eating the best, but these types of videos help me like kind of get back into cooking and get excited about it and things like that. So I'm really excited to jump on into today's video. Now it is currently noon, a little bit after noon. If you guys don't know, I do intermittent fasting, which I have not been doing consistently at all, but I want to jump back on into doing it. So yeah, I'm eating my first meal now, but despite it being my first meal, you guys, I love breakfast, so I'm still gonna be making breakfast, and today I'm gonna be making protein pancakes. Why did I say that like a game show host? I don't know. But yes, I'm gonna be making protein pancakes. This is my first time ever making them, first time ever trying them, so if it turns out nasty, I'm leaving it in the video. I'm not gonna lie, y'all just gonna see it. I'm gonna be honest, I'm freestyling this recipe just a tad bit, but I'm still gonna show you guys the ingredients that I'm using and the amount and everything like that, so that way you guys can know what to tweak. And then I will also leave in the description box just some other recipes for protein pancakes if you wanna try them out. They are not ones that I've tried. I'm just leaving other options for you because I'm nice like that. Okay, but okay, let me show you guys the ingredients that we're gonna be using, and let's jump on into making some food because I'm hungry.
Although the full ingredient list will be listed in the description box, I want to give a shout out to the protein that I will be using today, which is provided by our sponsors, Bellway. This super fiber and plant protein powder is vegan, organic, and all natural. It's made with no sugar or gluten and is also keto friendly if that's something you're following. The 20 grams of protein is a great addition to any meal or as a little morning smoothie, post-workout smoothie. So yeah, I absolutely love this protein. It comes in vanilla and chocolate if you're interested, and it will be linked in my bio for 20% off.
Okay, so the first pancake has been poured, and honestly, she's a little thick, I'm not gonna lie. She came out a little bit more globby than I expected. You know, it's a learning curve, but she's fluffy. I do appreciate her being fluffy because I love fluffy pancakes, so yeah. But I'm so excited, y'all. I feel like, ooh, I'm doing something. I know y'all probably like, girl, this is like 4 ingredients, but like, call me a chef because I be cooking. I finished making the pancakes. This is what they look like. I put a couple chocolate chips on top, and I'm just gonna pop these into the microwave just to melt the chocolate chips. So the mixture actually made like 3 more pancakes and 1 that I didn't make. However, they didn't turn out cute, so they can't be in the video. Okay, so let me try these on camera. Let's see. I don't have any syrup, and I honestly didn't want to eat them with syrup because I want to watch my sugar, even though I just put some dark chocolate chips, but it's okay. 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 Let me try a little bit without the chocolate chip. So let me be honest. Without the chocolate on top, which these are just dark chocolate chips, let me show you guys them really quickly. Without the dark chocolate on top, not good. No bueno. But with the chocolate chips, they're good. Like, I can eat these. I would definitely use agave. And I definitely need some syrup on these. So, future note. But if you have a sweet tooth, you want something sweet in the morning, you're trying to lose weight, these can do. They're not pancakes. It's a great way to get your protein in, I'm not gonna lie. For someone that doesn't really like to do protein shakes as often. It's a great way to sneak it into your meal. So I'm gonna finish eating those and stop eating in you guys' face. Okay, and I'll be back for the next meal. Okay guys, so it is now a little bit later on in the day and I am ready to eat again. I did not eat all of the pancakes like I showed you guys. Like, I only ate what I ate on camera. I didn't even finish the plate that I had or the other 3 little pancakes that the recipe made. So I didn't fully like eat a full breakfast, but I did eat some club crackers. Let me show you the crackers I ate because I want to be transparent. Yes, I ate some of these. I ate too many actually. But yeah, it's time to make something else, and I'm gonna be making a cute little tortilla pizza. Low calorie. I'm trying to eat a little bit less carbs, even though I ate these. Look, we all make mistakes, but I really am trying to reduce my carbs and reduce my sugar and everything like that. So I'm deciding to do them on little Smart Balance or Carb Watch tortillas. Let me show you guys. They're protein tortillas. So it is the Mission Protein Plant Powered tortilla. And one of these is 70 calories, but has 7 grams of protein. And then I'm gonna add some chicken, everything like that. So, you know, we're getting some protein in today, you guys. I'm trying to up my protein. I probably won't hit my protein goal today, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm still trying to up it. And so that's why I might have to do a protein shake later on. But yeah, let's jump on into making the little mini pizza. This is how our pizza turned out. Let's see if it's any good. Okay, I don't have a pizza cutter, so cutting this was a little bit of a fail. Hold on, I actually need to recut this. Here we are. That's pretty good. That's a quick little lunch, pretty good. Not much could go wrong with this little simple recipe, but it's very good. I'm gonna go finish eating this and I'll probably see you guys at dinner.
Okay, so for my last meal, I'm gonna be making a chicken taco salad with an avocado lemon dressing. I'm gonna be starting off by taking just some already cooked rotisserie chicken and adding some taco seasoning to it and just cooking it up a little bit over the skillet, and then just assembling my salad and my dressing. The dressing did not turn out how I wanted it to, but it is so good. Like, honestly, it was so good, and I messed it up, so I can't imagine if I did everything correctly. How I messed it up, let me rephrase. I didn't mess it up, but my avocados were not ripe enough, so they just didn't mush down like they should have, but it was really, really good, and I'll talk about it a little bit more at the end.
Alright, so I'm gonna be honest, a lot went wrong with the salad. I'm missing the beans, I don't have the can opener, and yeah. So I'm gonna insert a clip of what it's supposed to look like in the TikTok that I got it from, because, you know, I'm gonna credit the girl. Okay. It's not bad. It really isn't. Like, it's good. I just really wish I had beans in there. And I also wish the avocado would have mashed it up better. So you guys, this is, honestly, I give this a good rating. If I'd had the can opener, this would smack. Because honestly, it's still good. So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I promise my next what I eat in a day video is gonna go a little bit smoother than this one, but thank you guys so much if you watched to the end and sticking with me. If you want to see more videos like this one though, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and follow me on Instagram at Michaela Michelle. Bye.